Hello everyone. So this is our DIY project for spring semester 23-24. We have made an autonomous greenhouse system and we have named it GreenGrow. Let us see how it works. So our system is powered by this 12-volt adapter. Let us power it on. So as we can see, the name GreenGrow is appeared and we can see autonomous greenhouse is being shown on the display. After this startup screen, we can see the temperature and the moisture being displayed on the screen. Let us now see what are the sensors we are using. This is a LM35 temperature sensor. This is measuring the temperature and showing it on the LCD screen. But that is not all. This temperature sensor is also controlling an artificial lighting system and a fan. So first I will talk about the lighting system. Basically, when the temperature is low, the intensity of the light will increase, and when the temperature is high, that intensity of the light will decrease and it will turn off at 40 degrees Celsius. This is basically simulating the artificial lights that are used for photosynthesis in a greenhouse. If the temperature is too low, photosynthesis is not, the rate of photosynthesis is not that good, so we need these artificial lights. Next, the fan represents a temperature regulator. When the temperature is too high, the fan will turn on. It will regulate the temperature. We can simulate a high temperature by shorting the positive and negative terminal temperature sensor. And yes, we can see on the LCD screen that the temperature has gone up above 38 degrees and hence the fan has turned on. Yes, we can see that the fan has turned on. Once I release it, now we can see the fan has turned off. The temperature has dropped to 29 degrees Celsius. This is a resistive type soil moisture sensor. Currently this is measuring a moisture of 58%, which is being shown on the LCD screen. This moisture sensor is controlling a pump. So when the moisture of our soil gets below 30%, that is when the moisture of the soil is low, it means that our plants will need the water. So this pump will bring water from the tub over here and it into the soil. So what we will do now is that we will move this soil moisture sensor into the dry soil and see whether our pump is working or not. So let us do that. So now as we can see that the water started flowing and it automatically stopped as the moisture went up to 60%. Initially it had dropped to around 10%. So that is why our pump had turned on and filled it with water. In our project, we are controlling the pump and fan using this L293D motor driver. This is the module of the motor driver. As we can see that we have connected the VCC and the enablers on the left hand side and the outputs on the right hand side. So basically the Arduino is sending the signals from using the PWM pins to this motor driver, and that is being used to control the fan and the pump. So this was all about the autonomous greenhouse systems prototype that we have built. Thank you for watching.